Giving people what they want.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gavlak Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Search engine, everyone knows Google because Google is the best at it. They were the fastest at it, and they improve all the time. Bing is also a search engine. There's other search engines that plug into Bing and Google. They have similar ad platforms if you're running ads on them, but essentially the goal of a search engine is to give the person that's searching what they're looking for, and they do it they judge how good it is, I should say, by looking at things like how much time the customer spends on your website, not necessarily if they buy or not. How often they click through your website to other pages, how often they click to your website, find what they're looking for and go to another website, how often they click your email, go to your website and then download an app. So the more often people legit find what they're looking for or what they didn't even know they were looking for yet, and that's the one I like to try. I try to get people to look for things that they didn't even know they were looking for and show it to them. But the better you are at that, the more a search engine will optimize your experience with them and their experience with you. So keep that in mind. It's not just about keywords. It's not just about having a sexy video on the top of your page. It's about giving people what they want, even if they know they didn't want it. And that's my philosophy. That's free game for you.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and managed $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?